Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Katanat Meghalaya Urban Development Authority MUDA kablaknir jingerap ki nongdie madan da kabaai jaga shangdukan hakhendailan. Kalamat ka jingdu nong kabakot arfnriulak shipau hajar tingka shisngi na ka jingbam penlut ia ka jaga penyang kali haki armala balashna kerpang na kabenta ki nongdie madan. Kajingdu nong kami na kajimbam la bandung pisa na kabay penyang kali ha kimala parking ki balong kumni. Ki kali private arpau tingka shikenta, arshaka shipau tingka shikenta, commercial taxi, laipau tingka shikenta, commercial tourist shispa tingka shikenta, pick up truck shispa sanpau tingka shikenta. Lada khen kelum da ki khat pra kenta bayat bhagayo, ka jingdu nong kabami ha ka shisngi kalong arfnriu lak shipho hajar tingka ka jingrung ki kali ha kitei ki mala kalong da ki sanspa tali ha ka bakawei ka mala kala bandrung hadu arspa sanpho tali ka sarkar da ka minsim kami kala kner lakakti ban kershan ki nongdie madan da ka ba ia jaka shang dukan klem da siu bai jaka aa kala airu bai seng ha ki sanbnai baningkong kabalong shipho hajar tingka san hajar tingka hadu ar hajar tingka katkum kabenta.
Have been any standoff because we have engaged them in meaningful dialogue and discussions for the past 1 year. Several rounds of discussions have taken place. They have agreed to the conditions of their shifting, and now they are vending on the road, okay, where they do not have proper shelter. We have shifted them and given them also this offer of shifting allowance, 10,000 rupees per vendor, and they will go inside a building where they'll get shelter, they will get facilities of drinking water, washroom facilities. All these have been given to them. And the terms and conditions in those discussions also saw the participation of leaders like from the NGOs. We had the KSU, we had the Sinjuk Kirang Bashnong, represented by Rabla. They all were part of this discussion. Now, when we come to the point of actually implementing the decisions of the town vending committee, suddenly somebody decides to backtrack. What do we do? So, and also the fact that 200 of them have agreed to shift, what does it imply? So these are things for which you need to do some research.
So what is being said that these 200, most of them are not those legit hawkers who have been there. Those who are there for 10 years didn't even get their certificate.
anybody can make any allegations. You need to substantiate those allegations. More importantly, all the discussions have been properly recorded. We not only are answerable to the people of Meghalaya, we also are answerable to the High Court of Meghalaya, and therefore we cannot play. You know how even if somebody wants to play games, he cannot, because we have to submit all the affidavit, all the disclosures, all the minutes of and proceedings of the discussions also to the High Court.
So how do you react to this? That means the government is moving very quick on this because there's a pressure from the court concerning the traffic regulations. That is why you all are, because this is connecting, right?
It is not a question of anybody pressurizing us, but we have timelines. We have defined timelines, and in fact, we took 1 year of discussions. So there was nothing done in a rush.
Bapal, now the Hawkers Association